This is all standing, no equipment, cardio and agility workout. There's no jumping, it's a low impact workout. We're taking care of our heart health and working on some agility as well, coordination. I'm Sandra, I design workouts for over age 50 based on my background in rehabilitation, my work as a personal trainer. I'm so glad you're here, let's get started. We'll start getting warmed up, march on the spot. Core is engaged, scoop of the lower abdominals, navel toward the spine, chest is lifted, we're standing tall, pump the arms, gradually letting our heart rate, breathing rate rise, and keep marching. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Keep going. One more shoulder roll. And then one arm at a time, we will reach forward, up to the ceiling, circle back, other side. You decide how big you're making these arm circles. We're never working through pain or discomfort, so feel free to modify throughout the workout. One more each side. Keep marching, big breath up to the ceiling, lift the arms and lower. Continuing with our warm-up, tapping right foot forward, side, back, and then left foot forward, side, back. You can add the arms, follow the foot movements, tapping forward, side, back. Tall spine, one more for each side. A little bit of a flow for our warm-up. We'll be moving the hips back into a mini squat, reaching the arms down, straighten the legs, reach the arms out to the side, up to the ceiling, out to a T with palms facing up, side bend to each side. Lower, lift, bend. Let's go through that one more time. Back to your march just to finish up our warm-up. One more shoulder roll. One more lift arms to the ceiling and lower. First exercise for our cardio, we will tap to the side, lift the knee, tap down, and then other side. Tap, knee, lower. Tap, knee, lower. So get the move, and then if you want, you can pick up the pace, but go at the pace that works for you. Tap, knee, lower. Tap, knee, lower. Got some of that agility and coordination in this move as well. One more each side. Step touch coming up. We'll be stepping out to the side, tap the other foot in. The direction we're going, that arm will reach to the ceiling. So it's out to the side, tap the foot in, and reach. Again, you decide how high you're reaching that arm. Modification is to reach forward. One more to each side. Just shake things out in between exercises, any little moves you want to do. We will be stepping out, out, in. Lead with right. So it's out, out, in. You can have a little bit of a bend in your hips and your knees. This athletic position, out, out, in. Hands on hips, or whatever feels natural. You can pump your arms as well. And once you have the coordination, you can pick up the pace a little bit if you would like. And then we'll next be doing the same one, leading with the other leg. One more. Next, we'll be doing the out, out, in, leading with left. You can always add a shoulder roll in between exercises. So it's left, leading, out, out, in. Agility move. One more. Woo! Coming back to tall spine, core engaged. Each foot will be tapping back twice, back and at 45 degrees. So it's 2, 1, 2, 1. The arms are reaching back, also at about 45-degree angle. So back and a little bit out to the side. 2 taps each side for the feet. One more for each side. Next exercise, in addition to the cardio, we're really getting some coordination, balance, and agility. And so it's high knees, and we'll be doing 3, 2, and then pause. 3, 2, pause. 3, 2, pause. Modification would be to be close to a wall. You could have a hand on a wall or a support. Last round. Ooh, nice work. Shake it out. We're coming over to the side a little bit for a grapevine with 2 taps inside leg as we go to each side. Hands can be on hips. We step out to the side, cross behind, step to the side, feet together, and then tap, tap, step, cross, step together, tap, tap, step, cross, step together, tap, tap. Enjoy feeling good in your body. One more each way. Bring it back. Come to center. For the next exercise, the cardio is going to be in quick arm moves. Feet are wide, toes pointing out. Come down to wide-legged squat, fists in front of the chest, and we punch, 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 punch. Quick, strong punches. We're holding down, core engaged. If your legs need a little break, you can always straighten and then come back down. Keep those quick punching arms. Four, three, two, one, straighten up. We'll take a quick water break together. Grab your water or walk around the room, stretch out. You could reach to the ceiling, reach back down, have some big breaths. Grab a sip of water. So glad you're here joining me. I appreciate when you interact with the video. Hit like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe, share with a friend. We'll be tapping toes forward, crossing midline, crossing arms in front. So tap across, arms cross. Another one great for our agility practice. Last two. Coming over to the side again. 2 steps side to side, elbow pulses leading the way. Here we go. 2, 1, 2, 1. Strong arm, quick movement side to side. Chest lifted. I think we can squeeze in one more each way. Come back to center for our last cardio exercise before we get into the cool down. We're coming back to some high knees. So reach the arms forward, high knees, opposite hand, tap down onto the thigh. And bringing those knees nice and high. We're not rounding forward. Keep lifting high, almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1, woo! Great work. We'll start getting into our cool down. Feel free if you want to grab another sip of water. Coming back to that tapping forward, side, back. Start with right foot, forward, side, back, as we start to slow down our moves. Add the arms, forward, side, back. as we are now letting our heart rate, breathing rate gradually come down, and we're going to do a few nice stretches as well. A little bit of balance going on here. Improving balance, one more each side. Place the feet wide, toes are slightly pointing out, arms to T, shoulders relaxed. Bend into one knee and reach, bend into the other knee and reach. Just going slow, and you decide how much you're bending into the knee. Again, just going gentle on yourself. One more each side. Coming back up, arms can come down. Pyramid position, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, toes pointing forward, hands on hips without rounding the spine. Keep your spine neutral as we hinge from the hips and bring upper body forward until you feel that gentle stretch. And then inhale, exhale. Feel free to have hand on a support as always. Let's have one more breath here. Lifting up, switch your feet around. Hinge forward. Another breath. Lift up. Palms on the lower back. Bring your shoulders back wide across the chest. Bring your elbows back. And then toes of one foot can reach back. Open up the front of the hip flexor muscles. And thinking about the air traveling all the way to fill up to the bottom of the lungs, and then all the air coming back out. Keep your hands where they are and just switch sides for the feet, toes coming back. So glad you joined me here today. And release. We'll do 3 big breaths, lifting and lowering arms. Inhale, exhale. Amazing work. If you're looking for more strengthening or more stretches, I'll link a couple videos here. I so appreciate you being here, and I'll see you again soon. Have an amazing day.